All right, what's up? So I'm gonna give you an update on the S10. I got the mid plate and motor plate done. I finished the upper and lower control arms. Just got them sitting in there on the table, but had to customize them to match the old ones that come off the truck. The last week I've been working on getting these fiberglass doors installed. Picked these up off of Facebook Marketplace. Got a really good deal on them. This is just temporary lake sand. I got some smoked lake sand I'll put in there later on, but I used the Tim McCamus insulation kit, so come out really good. The only thing I didn't use from the Tim McCamus kit was the hinges here. I got these from Run Roads. This is the Tim McCamus kit, so they have to be welded in. I figured I would try these first. If I didn't like them, I would weld these in, but they worked out pretty good. Door opens and closes really nice, so happy with that. Right now I'm working on the passenger side door, so I got the hinges on. Got to put a window in it and get the striker and everything done. But when I test fitted the fenders, noticed there was a 1/2 inch gap or more here. So I'm guessing when they trim these doors, they trim this one too much. So after doing some research, I decided to make a mold of the steel door. So made that out of fiberglass, and I'll use that as the backing, and then I will add fiberglass mat to the backside. So just started working on that today. Never really messed with fiberglass, so had a lot to learn on that, but it's been good to learn it. So I'll let y'all know how that comes out when I'm done with that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just been messing with these doors, slowly making progress on everything. I got fenders here, I've gutted them. Just bolted this piece back in for some structural support while I was test fitting everything. Picked up this core support from Run Roads. That box is a 4x8 sheet of Lexan smoked, so I'm going to redo all the windows, up and forward headers like was on it before, just some cheap eBay ones. Here is the upper and lower control arms, so happy with that. Yeah, that's pretty much what I've been working on. I'll make some more videos that update y'all on the doors, fenders, fiberglass, all that. But if you would, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all next time.